Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. This is our last segment, so I want to make sure that I give Todd an opportunity to speak to you, the voter. Todd, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thanks very much, Brad. Appreciate it.
So, given an opportunity to speak to all the voters out there, can you tell us why you're running and what you hope to achieve?
Yeah, I think any candidate who's running should be able to answer the key question of why run. So those that know me would truly understand how much the town means to me. I really believe that we're at a critical point in our history, and I feel passionate that I can help shape the future of our town. I have a business background, and I'll utilize those skills if elected to council. I would, however, really appreciate it when you're making your considerations for who to vote for, if you would consider my contributions through the town through volunteering. So I've been involved in a wide variety of town committees, including chair of the library board and transportation committee. In addition, I've served as president of the Optimist Club, president of the Mono Nordic Ski Club, and in my experience, the actions of one's past will dictate their actions in the future. So I've demonstrated my ability to get things done in the town of Orangeville through my volunteer roles. Now I'm asking people to trust me with the position of councillor. I will make this promise, Orangeville. I will be prepared. I will be fact-based, and I will be professional. I promise that I will work with others to make our town great. So if you'll be willing, on October 22nd, I hope I can count on your vote. So on October 22nd, please vote for me, vote for Todd Taylor.
Thank you very much, Todd.
Thank you, Brad.
And I'll reiterate, it is very important that you vote. This is a democratic right that we've all are able to enjoy. So I really do hope you encourage your friends, family, and neighbors to get out there and vote for the best representation for Orangeville. Thanks for watching.